She was created.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting these cute little landscape Easter eggs, and I use watercolors on them, as you'll be able to see in the video. So it's a fun way that you can decorate for Easter and also get your art fix in at the same time. Anytime that I have an opportunity to combine pastels and landscapes, I jump on it because they're two of my absolute favorite things. Anyways, if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the video.